So, ayan na guys, ang nabili kong cellphone. Ayan. At may kasama po siyang speaker. Free po to. Ito yung cellphone. Honor X6C. Bago daw siya na ng Honor guys. So, ayan yung kulay niya. Mamaya buksan natin. Ayan. Tinry na to sa store. Binuksan na doon ng cashier. Na-check na namin. Ayan, maganda siya guys. Ito pang support ko to sa mga friend ko sa YouTube. Kaya maraming salamat po sa nagbigay nito. More blessing to you. Ayan. Thank you so much. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung laman ng box na ito. So, ito. Nabuksan na to eh. Binuksan na to dito. Wow! So, ayan na siya guys. So, ito na po yung phone. O, diba? Nilagay na niya yung casing. Ayan na siya. Ayan, ano ko na yan mamaya. Set up. So, ito po yung ano niya. Charger. Ayan. O, diba? Charger. O, ito yung ano niya. Charger cord niya. Type-C. So, ayan, Type-C siya guys. Original yung guys, Type-C. So, ayan, nagbuhin na lahat. Ano yun dito? Pin para sa cellphone, sa SIM. So, ayan yun guys, lahat guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys.
Few moments ago.
Kasi he will put music na.
Okay na guys, ang regalo ko po from one of my friend in YouTube. Thank you so much. Ayan na siya guys, ang ganda. So ang casing niya white. Okay, good. Okay. The charger. How many hours will charge from first using? I can use this one or anything?
Yeah, you can use it directly.
I wait for the battery now after I charge.
No need, just
Yeah.
No
You
need
can
to
use it. You can use it. No, you can use it without charging. Yeah, below 50%, 15% you can
You
charge.
charge.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can use
Even
that one.
20%, no problem.
So there is a cord and plug. Okay, so thank you.
Screen protector, no?
Yeah,
Sorry?
good. So
It's already there.
it's sheet, not glass. Sheet, not glass.
But
That's
it's
silicone.
not this waterproof, huh?
Yeah,
And
That's
glass.
silicone, this one silicone.
yeah, same like silicone.
Okay.
Okay, I can sit up there, no
Yeah.
problem.
Almost finished. You want like these keys or
Keys, what is that?
keys or without keys? You know the
The password like that?
not password. I'm talking about keys. You want keys like this one, or you want without keys like this? This one without keys. Keys will be appear like this from downside. This one you can use it like
But I
this.
can change that one if
You can change it.
okay, the settings, huh?
Yeah.
I check for anything.
And make it normal, then make
Normal,
it.
yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Sige, thank you so much. This one na guys. Okay, tapos na guys. Ayan guys, marami dito mga laptop. Mura lang dito yung mga cellphone. TV. So ayan guys, nakabili na ako ng phone. It's Honor. Ito na po siya. Kaya maraming salamat po sa nagregalo nito. Shout out. Wag na mag-shout out, baka may mag-sell us. Ayan na. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support guys. Hanggang dito na lang po. See you po sa aking mga next pong i-upload na video. See you guys. Ay, mag-withdraw pa lang muna kami guys. Kasi bayad to ng card ng kasama ko. So, kailangan niya ng cash. So, ginamit namin yung yung card niya para sa payment. Ayan, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for the vlog.